Most Amazon FBA beginners rush into product ideas without really understanding the data behind them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a product using Helium 10's black box and then properly break it down to see whether it's actually worth pursuing. We'll start by finding a product, and then later in the video, I'll show you how to validate it step by step so you're not guessing. Now, we're inside Helium 10's black box discovery tool. Black Box is designed to help you find product ideas using real Amazon data instead of scrolling randomly through Amazon listings. It allows us to apply filters so we're only looking at products that already meet our criteria. Underneath product, you can select a category or subcategory. This helps narrow Amazon down into specific areas instead of analysing the entire marketplace at once. For this example, I'm going to select the main category, Home and Kitchen. Home and Kitchen is one of the best categories for beginners. The products are usually simple, there's consistent demand, and you're not dealing with complicated electronics or certifications. Now, let's move over to sales. I'll set the price range from $6.99 to $59.99. This range works well because products are affordable for customers but still leave enough room for a profit after Amazon fees and shipping. Next, underneath that, you'll see parent level revenue. I'll set the minimum to $20,000 and the maximum to $80,000. This ensures the product already has demand but isn't completely dominated by huge brands. Now, I'll set the shipping size to small standard size and a maximum weight of £1. Smaller and lighter products are cheaper to ship, have lower FBA fees, and are easier to manage as a beginner. This helps reduce risk when starting out. Once these filters are applied, we can go ahead and click search. In your own time, you can always change the categories or tweak filters to narrow down your results further. This setup just gives us a strong starting point. Now you can see all the filters we entered are applied to the results below. We now have around 200 potential products that match our criteria. These filters remove a lot of rubbish products and save a huge amount of time when making decisions. Next, I'll sort the parent level revenue from highest to lowest. This brings the highest earning products straight to the top. It's a quick way to spot proven demand. Straight away, we see a product called 100 Coffee Filters with nearly $80,000 in monthly revenue. When you hover over the product, Helium 10 shows you useful information like review rating and estimated monthly units sold. Because this is a 100 pack, it opens up ideas for how we could differentiate, which I'll explain later. If we click the product, it takes us directly to Amazon. Helium 10's Chrome extension immediately starts pulling together all the key data. You can see it's in Home and Kitchen, which matches the filters we applied. At the top, you'll see something called the ASIN. An ASIN is Amazon's unique product identifier, basically a product ID number that Amazon uses to track listings. Tools like Helium 10 rely on this to analyse products accurately. Helium 10 now shows us this product has made around $72,000 in the last 30 days. It's also estimated to be selling roughly 7,184 units per month. That confirms there's strong demand for this product. You'll notice this specific ASIN only has sold around 300 units because the listing has multiple variations. To find the real winner, we need to see which variation is driving most of the sales. This is a step before moving into keyword research. To do that, I'll open up the Helium 10 extension and click X-Ray Amazon Product Research. Now in this case, the 200 pack is clearly selling over 6,000 units a month, as it shows you at the beginning. Next, I'll sort the ASIN sales from highest to lowest to see how other competitors are performing. This helps us understand whether multiple sellers are doing well in this space. I'll then switch back to parent level revenue to confirm the top performer. Now I want to know where this seller's sales are coming from. To do that, we need another powerful tool called Cerebro. Cerebro shows us exactly which keywords this product or a product is ranking for. I'll copy the ASIN and head over to Cerebro. First, make sure the correct country is selected because this product is selling in the USA, I'll select the United States of America. Now I'll paste the ASIN and click search. Before analysing anything, I'll apply filters to clean up the data. Filters help remove noise and focus only on keywords that actually matter. First, I'll set the word count to a minimum of 2. This removes very broad, one-word searches and focuses on phrases with buying intent. These are usually the keywords that convert better. Next, I'll set the search volume to a minimum of 600. This ensures the keyword is being searched enough each month to support sales. Low search keywords usually aren't worth building a product around. Now, I'll set the organic rank from 1 to 16. Being on page 1 is critical because most buyers never click past page 1. If a product isn't ranking here, sales are usually limited. If this video is helping you so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Now I'll click Apply Filters. We now have 28 filtered keywords with over 600 monthly searches. This is a good sign because demand is spread across multiple keywords. More keywords mean more opportunities to rank and sell. Next, I'll sort the keywords by search volume from highest to lowest. This shows us which phrases customers are searching for the most. It helps prioritize what actually matters. Next to search volume, you'll see something called Cerebro IQ score. Cerebro IQ compares search demand against competition. Higher scores usually indicate better opportunity. The top keyword here has a Cerebro IQ score of 1,848. That's low compared to its search volume because there are nearly 20,000 competing products. This tells us competition is very high for that keyword. You will come across products like this all the time, but imagine launching without checking this data first. That's why Helium 10 is money well spent. Now let's check this keyword directly on Amazon. At the top, Amazon pushes sponsored products where sellers pay to appear first. Helium 10 will mark these as SP, or Amazon will label them as sponsored below the product image. As we scroll, you'll notice a bestseller badge. This means the product is the top seller in its subcategory. Bestseller badge increases trust, click-through rate, and conversions. This bestseller is priced very low, but notice others charging much more. Never be discouraged by cheap products. Price variety shows healthy demand at different price points. Further down, you'll see products with limited time deals. These deals boost sales temporarily because they act like advertising. Many sellers also offer multiple pack sizes to capture different customer needs. Now, let's check the bestsellers keyword. I'll copy the ASIN and head back to Cerebro. I'll apply the same filters again. This time, we only get 19 keywords instead of 28. That's why it's important to check more than one competitor. Different ASINs rank for different keywords. So, to round this off, this is exactly why tools like Helium 10 are essential. They remove the guesswork and show you real data before you invest money. We also offer a discount on Helium 10, so make sure to check the link in the description below.